Alright guys, so today I wanted to do a quick unboxing, setup, and review on my SofaBaton smart remote. Been waiting to get this in. So I opened it, I'm just gonna tell you, like, it supports over 5,000 brands, crazy, and over 500,000 devices. So this bad boy can literally work with just about any device you have in home. And it's gonna be super convenient because, like, I literally have like 4 or 5 remotes just for my living room with like sound bars, with everything. So this should make everything a lot more cleaner. Very, very nice. Get the instruction manual right here. This is a really nice remote. Wow. Look at that. All right. Also another quick setup. Should be the base for it. And then the cables for it as well. Couple other cables here. All right, well, let's head over to my living room and get this set up and see if we can get it all going. Okay, and the first thing that you're going to want to do is download the SofaBaton app on either the Play Store or the Google Store. As you can see, I went ahead and did. I went through the prompts of what I needed, and then I selected the first device that I wanted to set up, which was my TV. Literally just follow the prompts and you'll see how it's done. Pairing up my SofaBaton smart remote. One of the things I didn't get a chance to point out during the unboxing is how nice it's actually got a very nice display right on here. So as you can see, I've already paired 4 of my smart devices on here, which is my Hue lights, my soundbar, my TV, and my Apple TV. And then this little knob right here will let you select whatever it is that you want to control. The other thing that when I was doing the unboxing, it comes with 2 of these. These are IR blasters. So that means if like you have your device, which is this right here, this is what controls everything right here. So let's say that you have this in a cabinet. You can stick one. I actually did connect one of mine. But you can connect 2 of them so that way you have plenty of like service wherever you have this plugged in. I only needed 1 for the time being, but I do want to show how cool this remote is. So like I said, I literally have about 5 remotes over here controlling everything. Now I can do everything from here. So I'm going to start with my Hue lights. I do have smart lights in my living room. So I'm going to go ahead and click that I want to control those. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit off. So then watch, I'm going to turn them off. And then let's see, now I want to power them back on. Same thing through the remote. Bam, powering them off, all from the remote. So cool. So now I want to go to my Samsung TV. And let's just say I want to, maybe we just turn it off. Let's do that. Just so you can see that it does work. The TV turned off. Let's hit it back on. All right, and it turns it back on. All right, so now the other cool thing is I have it also hooked up to my Apple TV, which is loaded now. So I'm gonna just go, as you can see, I'm using this remote to control my Apple TV. So we can go to like YouTube. We'll go to the first one. And then it's all paired here to my soundboard. You can see the volume, up, 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 down, 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 down. Everything works on it as it should. So if you're looking for a super cool smart remote, I highly recommend this one by SofaBaton. Definitely a 10 out of 10.